Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss how you can turn ChatGPT into a money printing machine and earn up to $4,000 to $5,000 per month. Yes, you heard that right. I have personally invested only 15 to 20 days, and you can easily see my earnings proof on the screen. And the best part is that you don't need to invest any money in this strategy. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started. The first step in this strategy is to create a website, and we will be using blogger.com for that. It's a simple process and doesn't take much time. Just follow along with me as I show you how to do it. First, search for Blogger on Google and click on Create Your Blog. Next, link your account. Let me create it quickly. After entering your email ID and password, a new interface will appear like this, and you need to click on Not Now. A new interface will open up and you will need to enter your website name. I will enter it for you now. After entering the website name, click on Next. After that, you will be asked to enter your website username and then click on Next again. Next, enter the name you want to display on your website and then click on Finish. Congratulations, your website is now ready. You just need to do some minor customizations to make it perfect. To view your website, click on View Blog. On this page, you will see the name of your website and the option to add your logo. Here I will show you some simple customizations using the copy-paste method. For customization, you just have to click on Theme section where you will find various templates to choose from. Select your preferred template and click on Apply to make the changes. Now that our website is ready, we haven't posted anything yet, so there is nothing visible on it. To write a post, go to the New Post section and access the Writing section. You can use ChatGPT to write a blog post on any topic you want. However, if you want to attract more traffic and views to your website, it's better to write articles on trending topics. To find trending topics, you can use Google Trends. Go to Google and search for Google Trends. It will show you real-time searches that are currently trending on Google. Click on Trending Searches, and then on Real-Time Search Trends to see the current trending searches. Write articles on these topics to get more views and improve your website's ranking. I'm currently writing an article on this topic. You can see ChatGPT will provide us a well-researched article that we can use. The article should be between 500 to 600 words. Once we have the article, we can copy and paste it on Not Paid. Then we can copy it again from the Not Paid and paste it onto our website. We can now make all headings bold and customize them to make them more attractive. Additionally, we can also add images relevant to the article. By clicking on Preview, we can see a preview of the post. You should have to post 2 to 3 articles daily. However, our work is not complete yet. We still need to send our article to Google to ensure that it appears in search results. If we don't do this, our article won't show up on Google. Once you have posted your article, it's time to submit it to Google. Follow these steps to submit your article to Google Console. Search for Google Console and click on Start Now. Enter your website URL. Create your website's sitemap by writing sitemap.xml and submit it. Next, click on URL Inspection. Paste your article URL and click on Request Indexing. It usually takes 1-2 minutes. Lastly, to monetize your website, go to the Earnings section and create a Google AdSense account after waiting for 15-20 days. Once your website is monetized, you will earn money based on your views. And that's it. Follow these simple steps, and you can turn ChatGPT into a money printing machine. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. Thank you for watching.